Let me guess, you signed up for at least one of the premium Amex cards because everyone on the internet swore the benefits would pay for themselves. And then you realize there is no universe where these perks are intuitive or easy to track. You're not alone. That's exactly why earlier this year, I created a full AMEX Trifecta benefits tracker, and thousands of you downloaded it. If you missed that video, you can watch it right here. But a lot has changed since then, especially with the AMEX Platinum, which got some major updates that completely shift the math on whether these cards are worth it. So today, we're breaking down everything new, everything existing, and most importantly, how you can squeeze thousands of dollars in real value out of these cards instead of letting Amex win. If you're new here, I'm Alec, your travel-obsessed, freedom-focused guide behind Destination Luxe. My mission is simple: help busy professionals break out of the 9-to-5 trap and travel more often, more luxuriously, and more affordably without quitting their job. These tools, these cards, and the systems I show you are designed to make travel easier and more accessible, not more confusing. So here's what we're doing today. First, I'm covering all of the brand new benefit changes because some of these completely change the game. Then we'll go card by card through the Amex Platinum, Delta Reserve, and Hilton Aspire so you know exactly what perks you're entitled to. And finally, I'll show you how to download the brand new 2026 version of the benefits tracker with updated instructions, improved formulas, clearer categories, and a layout that makes it almost impossible to miss the value again. So stick around for that. Let's start with the big one, the Amex Platinum, because honestly, Amex has fully entered its throw spaghetti at the wall and see what sticks era. And surprisingly, some of that spaghetti is not only sticking, it's adding serious value. They've rolled out one of the most aggressive benefit refreshes we've seen yet. And if you're someone who knows how to maximize a card, this is where things start getting interesting. First up, the $400 Resi credit. This one is a game changer because it finally pairs a premium travel card with a premium dining. It's usable in 200 semi-annual chunks, which means you're not scrambling to burn it all at once. You can get 2 intentional elevated dining experiences built into a year. Then there's the new $300 Lululemon credit. Listen, whether your team Lulu is a lifestyle or you're just grabbing a pair of shorts for vacation, this is real value. And it's quarterly, which means you actually stay engaged with it instead of forgetting it exists. Next, Amex boosted the digital entertainment credit to $300. If you're already paying for streaming, news, or other digital subscriptions, this softens the blow dramatically. It's not glamorous, but it's one of those quiet workhorse credits that adds up faster than you expect. They also increased the hotel credit to a massive $600 per year through Amex Travel, split into 2 $300 semi-annual credits. This one is huge because it aligns perfectly with how most people travel: a spring getaway or a fall or winter escape. Now you have a built-in excuse to upgrade your hotel or stretch a trip into something more luxe. And finally, the addition of a $120 Uber One credit. Amex is basically saying if you're not getting to the airport in style or ordering Uber Eats occasionally, that's on you. It's paid in monthly increments, meaning it's extremely easy to use and hard to forget. These benefits aren't random. They directly affect the bottom line, and for a lot of people, completely reshape the value equation of the Amex Platinum. For some, these updates suddenly make the annual fee feel way easier to justify. For others, it exposes exactly where they're leaving money on the table. Because if you're not tracking these credits, you're basically letting Amex win. And that's the whole point of this updated tracker, to make sure every dollar of value that Amex throws your way actually ends up in your pocket and not theirs. Now, let's walk through the benefits across all 3 cards, the ones people always forget to use and the ones Amex is absolutely counting on you to ignore. We'll kick it off with the Amex Platinum, also known as the lifestyle powerhouse. This card isn't just a travel card. It's basically a full-on luxury ecosystem, but only if you're actually activating the perks instead of assuming they'll magically help you. Let's break down some of the biggest benefits. Every year, Amex gives you money to offset airline incidentals, seat upgrades, checked bags, in-flight purchases. It's not glamorous, but it's guaranteed value if you remember to use it. This is free money that people literally forget exists. The Platinum automatically hands you Hilton Gold and Marriott Gold. That's upgrades, late checkout, breakfast credits, and bonus earnings, and it's passive. Just holding the card boosts your travel experience without lifting a finger. If you've never used the fine hotel and resorts, you're missing out on one of the single highest value perks Amex offers. You get breakfast for two, room upgrades, a $100 experience credit, guaranteed 4 p.m. checkout, and more. On one stay, you can easily make back half of the annual fee. This one keeps getting better, and it's one of the easiest to accidentally skip. Whether it's streaming, news subscription, or audio entertainment, Amex wants you to forget this exists. But if you track it, it offsets real monthly expenses. This credit renews every 4 4.5 years, and it's one of the most underrated ways to save time, not just money. If you travel even twice a year, skipping the TSA line is basically life-changing, and it's free if you have the Platinum. You get semi-annual credits that can go towards gifts, accessories, skincare, home items, but only if you remember to use them before they expire. Set it and forget it isn't an option here. You have to be intentional. This is where the Amex shows its personality. High-end fitness perks for a high-end lifestyle, but again, these are only valuable if you consistently redeem them. A single missed month is money gone forever. And of course, the holy grail, Centurion lounges, priority pass, Delta lounges when you're flying Delta, and escape lounges. Realistically, lounge access alone can save you hundreds of dollars a year on food, drinks, and stress, but only if you use it. So yes, this card is basically the luxury cheat code, but only if you're tracking the credits instead of hoping you randomly remember them. Amex builds these cards assuming breakage, you forgetting, delaying, or saying, I'll do it later. But when you put structure behind your benefits, the game flips. The card stops being expensive and starts being profitable. Now, let's talk about a card that most people completely sleep on until they realize how powerful it actually is. The Delta SkyMiles Reserve. This card isn't just for diehard Delta loyalists. It's built for anyone who wants to shortcut their way into elite status without living in an airport. If the AMEX Platinum is the lifestyle cheat code, the Delta Reserve is the status engine hiding in plain sight. Here's what makes it such a weapon. The companion certificate. This is one of the most underrated travel perks on any card. Buy a qualifying round-trip ticket and you get a second seat for nearly free. For couples, families, or even best friends, this alone can wipe out the annual fee in one swipe. And if you use it for first class, that's a flex that literally pays for itself. People complain about overcrowding, but having reserve guarantees access, well, subject to the new rules, when you need a quiet place to work, drink, or decompress. With lounge day passes now costing more than ever, this is real tangible value every time you step into a terminal. This is where the reserve becomes a cheat code. By putting your normal spend on the card, you're actively pushing yourself towards medallion status without actually having to fly more. For busy professionals or anyone trying to hit higher tiers, this is money you're already spending working harder for you. Priority check-in, priority boarding, priority everything. You're essentially moved through the airport like someone who paid way more for their ticket than you did. Convenience has a dollar value, and this perk pays out every single trip. Simple, boring, but essential. If you check bags even a few times a year, this knocks out a surprising amount of cost, especially on family trips. If you're someone who lives for that free medallion upgrade notification, this perk gives you a noticeable edge. Paired with your MQD boost, you're accidentally sitting in first more often than you think. And don't forget one of the reserve card's most underrated but incredibly value existing perks, the $200 Delta Stays credit. This kicks in automatically when you book eligible hotels, resorts, or vacation rentals through Delta Stays. It's one of those benefits people overlook because it isn't flashy, but if you're already booking a pre-cruise hotel, a work trip, or even just a weekend getaway, that's an easy $200 back in your pocket every single year. No hoops, no games, just real value for travel you're already doing. Here's the bottom line. Used intentionally, this card can practically manufacture elite status. Delta built this card for high-frequency flyers, but the real winners are people who understand how to game the mechanics. People who track the boost, use the certificate smartly, and tie all the credits into a bigger strategy. If you want Delta status without living on a plane, this is your engine. Now, let's talk about the card that feels like it shouldn't exist at its price point, because the math is almost embarrassingly in your favor. The Hilton Aspire is the only mainstream travel card that practically hands you top-tier hotel status just for showing up. No hoops, no 60 nights, no spreadsheets. You open the card and boom, your diamond, one of the strongest elite statuses in the hotel world. Complimentary breakfast, space available upgrades, lounge access, the whole deal. And then the real magic starts. You get a $250 Hilton resort credit, which you can burn through on property for dining, drinks, spa treatments, cabanas, you name it. Then you stack that with the $250 airline incidental credit, which covers luggage, seat selection, onboard food and drinks, and more. That alone can wipe out a chunk of your travel budget. But wait, because Aspire isn't done flexing. You also receive a free weekend night reward every year, and depending on where you redeem it, that night can be worth $500, $700, even over $1,000 at luxury properties like Waldorf Astoria or Conrad. That single perk can outvalue the entire annual fee by itself. Add in Hilton on-property credits when booking premium stays, priority pass lounge access, and premium Wi-Fi for every hotel stay, and suddenly this card is producing well over $1,000 to $1,500 in annual value without even trying. This is why I call the Aspire the secret weapon. It's the card quietly carrying your entire travel strategy on its back, if you actually put the credits to work instead of letting them expire. So, with all of these benefits spread across 3 totally different cards, the real question becomes, how do you actually track all of this without losing your mind? And that's exactly why I built the 2026 tracker. This isn't just a quick update. I rebuilt the entire thing from the ground up so it actually works the way we all use our cards in real life. The instructions are cleaner, the layout is smarter, and the whole system just feels easier to use. The value totals now update automatically as you plug in your usage, so you can literally watch the money you're saving or leaving on the table change in real time. You can toggle between monthly and annual tracking depending on how you like to manage your credits. And if you've got multiple cards in the trifecta, everything integrates seamlessly, so you're not bouncing between spreadsheets trying to figure out what's what. I even added reminders for reoccurring credits because, let's be honest, forgetting a credit is the fastest way to throw value straight in the trash. But the best part? The tracker now functions like a yearly strategy session with yourself. It shows you at a glance how much value you're capturing, whether you're underutilizing benefits, and how to course correct before it's too late. It's not just a spreadsheet, it's a system designed to help you reduce waste, maximize perks, and squeeze every last dollar out of the cards you're already paying premium annual fees for. Look, the annual fees on these cards are intense. I get it. But if you actually understand the benefits, use them strategically, and track them with intention, you can extract thousands of dollars in value and turn what looks like a liability into one of the smartest travel investments you make every year. If you want the new 2026 tracker, the link to download it is sitting right below in the description. Grab it, make it yours, and let it do the heavy lifting for you. If this video helped you unlock the real value of the AMEX Trifecta, hit that like button, subscribe to Destination Lux, and turn on notifications so you never miss a strategy update. I'm Alec, here to help you travel more, travel better, and build a life with a lot more freedom in it. Thanks for watching, and as always, safe travels.